8 years after the publication of Paul Adler and Brian Boris's article entitled Two Types of Bureaucracy, Coercive and Enabling, renowned management control researchers Thomas Ahrens and Christopher Chapman drew on the enabling bureaucracy model by applying it to a restaurant chain in the United Kingdom. They demonstrate that the enabling principles presented by Adler and Boris in 1996 are highly relevant for the study of management control systems. This then lays the foundation for enabling control, which explores new avenues of productivity through the formalization of workflows at the intra-organizational level. The enabling project was therefore not initially a management control project, even though, at the same time, reference models were emerging, such as those from researchers at Harvard, like Robert Kaplan. We can think of the balanced scorecard with its 4 perspectives, or Robert Simons with the 4 levers of control. Enabling control also features this 4-part dimension through the 4 enabling characteristics proposed by Adler and Boris. These characteristics are internal transparency, meaning the understanding of local processes, and global transparency, which corresponds to an overall view of the organization. Flexibility, which refers to the leeway available in the use of systems. And repairability, that is the user's ability to intervene to prevent malfunctions or even breakdowns. Their study suggests that enabling control is a formalized approach that empowers employees to better master their tasks by balancing efficiency and flexibility. This model goes beyond a traditional view of control as a mere monitoring mechanism and values the interactions between managers and management tools. For example, dashboards, budgets, cost accounting systems, or even ERPs. Behind the term enabling or empowering lies a dual vision. Indeed, some studies favor a facilitating or supportive perspective, directly questioning the user of these tools. This aligns with the literature that states management control should help its recipients successfully carry out their tasks. Other studies are based on an enabling or authorizing conception, which is more specifically focused on the aspect of instrumentation, meaning, in this context, the practical application and use of tools and methods, that is, on all or part of the control system as a whole. As a result, enabling control concerns both the design and implementation of management tools, knowing that there is no clear separation between modeling, implementation, facilitation, and monitoring of these tools. We can therefore highlight the dual role of the enabling approach by distinguishing a facilitating dimension, which is focused on the user and thus on the characteristics of internal transparency and overall transparency, and an enabling dimension focused on the control system and the characteristics of flexibility and repairability. The combination of the two gives management control its enabling quality. This model offers promising prospects, notably by moving beyond the managerial determinism inherited from Taylor, by valuing user participation, and by emphasizing the importance of the process of developing control systems. The enabling quality does not simply lie in adding features, but in the perception and uses that users have of them, which will influence their engagement, their actions, and the effectiveness of management control from a perspective of congruence. Finally, enabling control is recognized as one of the major trends in management control. By emphasizing the interactions between users and control systems, it opens the door to applications in various sectors and in both private and public organizations.